Home Remedies presents 2-ingredient remedy that stops migraines instantly. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will tell you how to make a natural remedy to get instant relief from migraine or severe headaches. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Anyone who has experienced a migraine knows how debilitating this condition can be. Typically, migraines and headaches are body's way to signal that there is something wrong, meaning that it lacks any nutrient or is dehydrated. There are numerous different treatments and medications for migraines, but most of them contain chemicals and have serious side effects. In case you suffer from migraines and you want to try a different approach, rather than using conventional medicines, I have prepared a natural and safe remedy that can provide great relief from the unbearable pain. Migraines are described as recurrent headaches which make you unable to function properly. It makes you sensitive to everything, including sound and light, because the pain can worsen if exposed even to the slightest ray of sunlight. Sensory warnings of migraine include vomiting, nausea, flashes of light, tingling in the limbs, and blind spots. Certain medications can temporarily relieve the pain due to migraine successfully. The pain comes back after a while, and what is even worse is the damage these drugs do on your health. Not to mention the fact that they can be very addictive, which will only make you buy more until they no longer work. Here is a simple trick on how to use only 2 ingredients to stop a debilitating migraine in a matter of minutes. The main ingredient for this natural remedy is Himalayan pink salt. The other ingredient is lemon juice, which has alkalizing effects that become even stronger when combined with Himalayan salt. Taking this remedy will make your immune system stronger. It will restore the electrolytes in the body. It will create an alkaline environment, thus relieving the pain. Ingredients: half teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, juice from half lemon, 1 glass of water. Preparation: mix all the ingredients and stir until the salt dissolves. Drink it immediately, and in just a few minutes, you will notice that the pain is reducing. For the next 30 minutes, drink a glass of water every 10 minutes. In case it doesn't go away, drink another glass of salt and lemon juice water. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.